My 12th board exams are finally over, and honestly, it feels strange. For so long, my life was just books, pressure, routines, deadlines, running to school, and trying to keep up with everything. And now it's suddenly quiet. It feels like I'm closing a chapter that took so much out of me but also shaped me in ways that I probably won't understand yet. Maybe that's why this moment feels so overwhelming and emotional, because this isn't just the end of exams, it feels like the version of me ended, the version that was always rushing, stressed, and waiting for later to finally start living. And now the later is here. Now I finally want to do what I have always been putting off, what my heart wanted and what my soul wanted: to grow, to create, to become disciplined, and to build a life that actually feels like mine. I don't have everything figured out yet, but for the first time in a long time, I feel excited for what's next. And maybe that is enough for now. You don't need to have everything figured out beforehand. My exams have officially ended, and I am just super relieved now that now I don't have to worry for the next exam, and I don't have to worry about studying constantly for the exam. And now I am super relieved. Since my school ended, as my 12th ended as well, it's just very different emotions, I can say. Now I don't have to get up every single day at 7 a.m. to get ready for school and leave for school to study, but now I am on my own. Now it's always about what is the next path. What is the next path that you are working towards? Is it about college? Is it about doing something new? There are a lot of things. Research about colleges, to research about what you want to do and works toward it on your own. Now there is no teacher pushing you to do that. There is no exams that you're scared of. That there is no next class, but now it's college and it's what you want to do and what you do on your own. But apart from that, I think that you should also give time to the hobbies that you have always wanted to do, on the things that you always wanted to learn. I am enjoying so much after my exams is over. I am finally back on my sport. I am learning how to drive, and most importantly, I am back on this channel that I am super excited about. And I'm really sorry for not posting for 4 days. Actually, I couldn't record a video because a lot of things was going on, but I actually did post a community post for an update, so I'm still going to call it a win-win. Now let's talk about how my paper went. So it was biology's paper, and I got set number 2. And for the paper, I will say the paper itself was not really hard, but there were some topics that I definitely found hard. It was about genetics. And I wrote everything, and I include as much information as I could related to the topic. But when I just came home and I looked for the answers of the questions, I have realized that I knew most of the correct answer from the questions, but I somehow didn't wrote the exact answer in the exam. I missed some topics that I knew beforehand, and I clearly did not mention everything that I knew before, but I couldn't do that in the my paper. But I did as much as I could, and I remember I was writing till the very end. I found section D and section E a bit tough for me, but I did wrote lot, like the most I could. So the paper was okay. I would not say the paper was way too good. I would not say the paper was way too easy, but the paper was moderate, and what I wrote was also moderately good. And now I am looking forward to what I do since my paper is over. There is a lot of things that I've always wanted to work on after I finish my school, and it just feels so good that the school is ended and now you have a lot of time to do what you want, to learn what you want from your heart, and just to explore every area that you liked, that you wanted to. Instead of thinking that, oh, I am on my own, what will I do, start to think it in the way like, I am on my own. I can do whatever I like. I can do whatever I have wanted to for a longest period of time. Just change your perspective really, because look at you. Your exams have ended and now you can literally go in any direction that you want. You can learn literally whatever you want. You can improve yourself, you can give time to your hobbies, you can give time to support your future self and do the things. I will take the lead and take myself to the best place ever. Just change the perspective, really, it really does makes a difference. Yes, I would not say that I have literally a blueprint on what I want to do after 12th, but I know, I believe in myself that whatever I do is worth it, is making me the best version of myself and improving me. And you don't always have to know what you want to do. Sometimes just you will know that once you try different stuff, once you know that this is the things that I love and this is the things that I don't. I'm really excited actually. I wanted to do a lot of things. I even had this like diary or a notebook kind of thing in which I wrote the things that I wanted to do after 12th. So I'm going to open that up and mark everything. How am I going to do it? Because I'm really looking forward to learn more, to grow more, to know about a lot of stuff, to read books. I really like to read books, so I have a list of books that I wanted to read. And I'm also a very creative person, and I used to draw a lot when I was younger, so I'm going to pick that hobby up again. I'm going to create something. Wait, I'll show you. This is a kind of flower, a vase that I created a long time ago. It's so pretty, like I created this. Wait, I'll show you. These flowers, look how pretty they are. Well, I'm going to study, I'm going to research about colleges, and I'm going to study myself more. What do I like? What do I don't like? What is the thing that I love from heart? What is the thing that brings me joy, that fulfills my soul and purpose? Because as I said, I'm very creative person. I get a lot of ideas, so I want to create that ideas and bring them in this real world to create an impact, obviously, and to fulfill what I wanted to, what my purpose is. And I think you all should also study yourself, because when you study yourself, you become more aware of yourself on the things that you like and on the things that you don't like. And when you're aware of yourself, you knows where you want to go in life, what things you can work upon for a longer period of time. So I would say start studying yourself as well, your likes, your dislike, your strengths and your weakness. It really helps. Let's just learn about ourselves. Let's just learn what we were meant to learn, what we have always wanted to learn, and invest time in yourself, in your skills, in your communication, in the things that you like. Okay, there is always room of improvement. At the end, I just wanted to say that let's look forward on what we can achieve, we want to do, and literally works toward it. So, if you want to know what I do after my 12th, what are the things that I work on, what are the things that I am going to learn in this world that is going to separate me from the rat race and actually do what I personally like to do, make sure to subscribe the channel, because in this channel I am going to tell you how can you be the best possible self and grow together in this journey.